Oh hey! You must be MTV Cribs. So, welcome to CEIS. This is the home of the Rowtoscope. Come on, I'll show you in. Come here, to the lab.
Hi, welcome to the CEIS Robotics Lab. Hi, I am Jax Hilkari, the team's all-rounder of the CEIS Robotics IOC team.
And I am Imundin Atabandanya, the one who conceptualized the Rowtoscope. Come here. Here's some more of our members.
Hello, I'm Andre Blanco, the IT specialist of Rowtoscope, and I am responsible for the codes that implements this robot.
Hello, I am John Brian D.G. Clarine, and I am the financial advisor of the IOC of the Club.
Hi, my name is Jose Rafael Cruz. I am the platform specialist of this Grade 12 IOC. My responsibility is to make this thing function.
Okay, so now that you've seen every member and introduced themselves, it's time to move on to the B-roll of the prototype. Come here.
Rowtoscope is a trash collection robot and can also identify the pH level of water that can ensure safety and clean water. We also added a camera module for easy surveillance for search and rescue mission. Added to the list of the components, we use Arduino Mega for the main brain of our robot, along with a solar panel to give us safe and clean energy to our robot. We also added an L298 N-out Mega to connect to our DC motor to ensure the maneuverability of our robot.
Okay, so we may have not explained much about the prototype and why it exists. So I hope to fix that in this segment. So our Rowtoscope is a water rover that can travel in water, and it can collect trash, in keeping in mind those trillions of trash under the water, where 200,000 plus of those float to the surface, and you know, it's just an eyesore to see. Besides trash, we've also kept in mind the disaster response efficiencies we've seen in a research in a different country, but we hope that applies here as well, or hopefully not. Anyways, we've seen from our research that disaster response when it comes to flooding is very inefficient, very uncoordinated. So with our prototype, we hope to fix that by giving early information on the disaster victims, and hopefully that can coordinate and fix the problem with efficiency and time with the disaster response. Without further ado, let's go to the pool and see just what our prototype can accomplish.